standing in between number 167063. This is our cream colored 14.5-foot tall dogwood tree, and this is 167064. That's the white tree. It's white, slightly ivory. It's not super pure white. It has a little bit of cream in the center. These are interchangeable branch trees. So you can get these trees, but then you can swap out the branches. It comes with 54 branches. You can take them out and put different kinds of branches in. So you could use this for one event, as you see here, or you can get our greenery branches and make it a greenery tree, anything that you'd like. You'll notice they might look a little washed out right here. That's just because we have a skylight rather, up in the ceiling here. So they don't really look this washed out in person. These are extremely heavy. They are better than 340 pounds. So you're gonna need some extra people with some strength to help you move it. These come truck shipped to you. You can still get free shipping if you want to, or you can take the discount, whichever you'd like to do, but they will come truck shipped. They will not move. Check this out. I can try to knock this over. This is not going to knock over at your events. It comes on its own plated base, this massive trunk. Look, my arms come around it here. It comes with its own plated base, but then it comes with an extra plate that you screw these into. So you're going to need some people with some muscle to help you move this around. Now that this is put together, it is extremely hard to move, so make sure you have it in the right spot. 14.5 feet tall, about 9.5, 10 feet wide when you have it put together. Stay tuned because we're going to swap out the branches and make it into a greenery tree. Hi, I'm Katie from Shop Wild Things. I'm standing underneath two of our bases, our 14-foot tree bases. These, right before this video, were our dogwood trees. We carry that in with dogwood flowers. They're white, a set of white ivory, and then a cream colored. Then we took all of those branches out and we added interchangeable branches to them. To this side here, we added our ficus branch number 167102. So we took the dogwoods out, put these in, and on this side we added our weeping willow branch number 167095. These are super full. If you already have some of our bases, you can use these branches to turn them into greenery trees. These are so gorgeous, 14 feet tall, and they will not move. I showed this in a different video, but you can try to knock these over and it's impossible. You could not knock these over. They're great for events, great for retail spaces. They're spectacular. They're even better in person.